Thibitarĩ-inĩ nini ya Sankuri ĩrĩa ĩrĩ kilomita nini kuma taũni-inĩ ya Garissa, mũigana mũnene wa arwaru nĩ atumia arĩa mokĩte gwetha urigiti wa ciana ciao.
Mtoto amekuwa weak, labda hajapata ile chakula natakikana mwili yake ipatwe. Basi nikaleta hospitali akanisaidia kutoka hii unajua Blambet kwanza ni dawa si chakula. Madaktari wamesema ni dawa. Watoto wote nikipeleka nyumbani siwezi patia watoto wote. Lazima kule ile mtoto daktari ameandikishwa.
Kũringana na arigitani, ciana nyingĩ iria ikoretwo ikirehwo thibitarĩ-inĩ ĩno, ũgima wacio wa mwĩrĩ ũhatĩrĩrĩkĩte nĩ kwaga irio cia kũigana na oho gũkorwo irio iria cirarĩa citirĩ na indo ciothe iria mwĩrĩ ũbataraga.
Kama ungepata chakula tofauti, hata ungepatia watoto yao hiyo chakula mwenye nafaka. Kwa vile wanakula chakula aina moja, hawa hiyo uwezo ya kununua hiyo chakula aina nyingine. Ndio inasababisha wakule chakula aina moja na watoto akuwe nafaka yao chini.
Mothers are also malnourished. Almost 5,550 something mothers in the program currently with malnutrition. If the mother is malnourished, that means the child will automatically also be born malnourished. So the mothers we normally check are the mothers who are pregnant and lactating.
Medical outreaches are now supporting to identify and treat malnutrition. Equally, we have other hygiene promotion messages to prevent even occurrence of malnutrition, and of course health education, and also counseling on infant and young child feeding, so that we also avoid malnutrition in the long run in our communities.
Honge cia thirikari ciũrĩtie ikiheana ũteithio wa irio, ikuruhania indo cia kũhũra njeki ũgima mwega wa ciana nĩguo kũhonokia ciana nyingĩ iria irĩ ũgwati-inĩ wa kũnyitwo nĩ mĩrimũ ĩtiganĩte.
They are supported by WFP with something called super cereals, and they are treated using that supplements. So we also thank the partners in the ground for supporting the mothers and the children who are under 5 currently.
Oho gĩkundi gĩkĩ gĩa kũgitĩra ihoto cia ciana nĩ gĩkoretwo gĩkĩheana ũteithio wa mbeca cia o mweri kũrĩ aikari amwe arĩa hinyĩrĩrĩku makĩria cia kũmahotithia gwĩthaĩrĩra na kũgũra irio.
So this cash is basically supposed to meet the minimum expenditure basket, specifically 50% of the food for the household. That is what the cash is actually meant for. The households are sensitized on how to utilize the cash. They're also sensitized on even how to cook the foods once they purchase micronutrient rich foods for the household.
Chakula hakuna, chakula hata imekuwa bei mingi. Ile wanyama tulikuwa naye mbuzi na ng'ombe moja, hakuna kitu ya kukula, hakuna maziwa. Watu wanahangaika sana. Mũingĩ wa kauntĩ iria ikoragwo rũgongo rwa bũrũri nĩguo hatĩrĩrĩkĩte mũno nĩ ng'aragu ĩrĩa ĩgũmĩire bũrũri, makĩria arĩithia a gũthama arĩa mahiũ mao maingĩ mathinĩkanĩte nĩ wagi wa maĩ na nyeki. Ngĩribotera Inooro TV, Getũ wa Maria wa Mũigana.